Thanks for joining us today at DriveStrike. We're going to go through an instructional video on how to install DriveStrike on a Windows device. The first method is to go to the install page within the DriveStrike console and send an email invitation to the user that has administrative privileges on the device. They can click through the installer and follow the prompts. The second method is to log in directly into DriveStrike from the intended device, go to the install page, and download the installer yourself. Alternatively, if you're doing a mass deployment on a large number of devices, you can follow our instructions under the Mass Deploy DriveStrike link on the install page. In this demonstration, we're going to do the email invitation process. The user that receives the email must click here to install, which will redirect the user to a dedicated page to download the setup file. This process will not give the user access to the DriveStrike management console, but it will install DriveStrike and allow the user to register the device to your account. Once the download is completed, launch the setup file and follow the installation prompts. On this specific screen, you're going to enter the email address that the invitation was sent to in order to complete the registration and installation. Now you can go to the DriveStrike console and you will see that device is available in your dashboard. To access a device's details, just click on the specific device you want and it will only take a moment for our DriveStrike servers to populate the page. Speaking of details, if the device is ever renamed, DriveStrike will actually rename the device automatically in the dashboard and display the old name of the computer as well. That concludes our installation demonstration video for Windows devices. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 877-375-2468 or send an email to support@drivestrike.com.